Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an as we start the day. Today we're looking at chapter 6, verse 55. Allah says, وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ, and thus we have fully detailed, we have spelt out, nufassilu, we have spelt out in full detail with all the particulars, the ayati, the verses, the signs, the Qur'an. The Qur'an is fully detailed. And who's made it fully detailed? We, Allah. Nufassilul ayati. Okay, let's move on. Walitastabina, and we have made it clear. What has God made clear? Sabilul mujrimeen, the way, sabil, the way of the mujrimeen, the criminals. Now, the word mujrimeen, which means criminals, is fully defined in the Qur'an itself, like all terms used in the Qur'an. So we can turn to the Qur'an to understand what it means to be a mujrimeen and the repercussions of being mujrimeen, criminals. So, if that is fully defined and if it's been made clear, then what this is telling us is that we don't need anybody else to tell us what it means to be a criminal in the eyes of God. Allah is saying we have made it fully detailed in the ayat. So where does that mean we need to turn to understand what it is to be mujrimeen? The ayat. Do we need anyone between us and God? No. Do we need any other book? No. This is an invitation from God, from your Lord, to turn to the Qur'an, to turn to Him, to understand what it means to be on the wrong path. So let us reflect and let us continue turning to God and not have anybody in between. Have a great day. Peace.